Today, I'm going to show you 3 different apps. The people who don't know what they are might think that they are nothing more than a piece of software with a few buttons. But things are different though. These apps will create a significant amount of revenue for you. So today, I'll demonstrate 3 apps to you, one of which will generate a substantial amount of money for you. Using the other 2 methods, you will make money while sleeping and using your smartphone. These new apps will be able to provide you with the extra income that you need to pay for your lifestyle. And in some cases, they may even be able to improve your entire quality of life. I will introduce you to a few new applications that will take care of all of your needs. A variety of apps are available that enable you to make money with little to no work on your side. Simply downloading the apps and logging in every day is all that is required to receive your money. Moreover, there is no need to invest money to participate. Additionally, there is no social media following or participation, nor is there any affiliate marketing. There is no selling involved, and it is available to people worldwide. Anyone on the face of the planet can generate money in the same manner that I do by using this method. Make assured that you have completed all of the stages in the process. As a result, you will have the unique chance to be one of the lucky ones to use this new technology. Please join me and let the party begin. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Let's return to the video. Let me tell you about these 2 apps that compensate you for doing absolutely nothing. Your next question would be, is it possible, or is this a bit shady? Yes, this would be your natural reply, but that is not the case. Simply by installing these apps, you will be eligible for a payout that is guaranteed. You will be able to develop an income stream that will aid you in fulfilling your financial commitments, and if you can utilize these 2 in combination with a 3rd one, that is willing to pay an enormous amount. First and foremost, visit moneysmsapp.com. a website that provides a money SMS app. Let me introduce you to this app and I will tell you how it works. Money SMS will make real money for each automated test SMS message your phone will receive. Earning money online from a phone is very simple. Just run this money-making software in the background. The technology will produce test messages without your intervention. Most other money-making applications need you to view advertisements or do certain activities to earn money. Money SMS enables you to earn money online without having to do anything. In contrast to other money-making applications, you don't need to do anything other than launch Make Money Online, Money SMS, and you'll instantly earn real money for each test SMS you will receive. You may get compensated using PayPal, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. You may be wondering why we pay our customers. Many telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators must send SMS text messages to overseas countries to check and assure proper SMS delivery. It will pay you for utilizing your phone number to conduct these testing services. If you want to download this app, you must first visit the website and then click on the Download App option located on the right side of the page. After downloading and installing this great tool on your phone, you will be able to make money online by automatically receiving SMS messages that our system and customers have sent out. Because the information will be composed mostly of random numbers and words, the communications will be devoid of logical coherence or meaning. You have the option of deleting the messages as soon as you get them if you so want. On the other hand, you will continue to earn money from the SMS messages that you receive. You don't have to put forward any effort. There is no need for a social media platform or to engage in affiliate marketing. All that is necessary is that you just get the messages regularly. Those are the kind of passive income that I regard to be valid. However, bear in mind that for the time being, this solution will only work for Android users since the developers are now working on making it work for Apple products. On the other hand, an Android phone is the most incredible alternative for the time being. Those who use iOS devices, on the other hand, must not be worried. With the release of the following app, all Apple devices will be fully supported. If you find this video entertaining, please remember to click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's return to the video. At first look, the quantities of money generated via Money SMS don't seem to be very lucrative. However, if you let it operate independently, it will generate a good income flow for you just by waiting for text message alerts to arrive. This app may be used immediately after being downloaded, and there is no further activity required. Upon successful completion of the download, just register and await the arrival of your messages and payment. Money SMS has taken all of the necessary efforts to align with the most current privacy policy standards, so you don't have to be worried about your data's security while using the service. Whether you want to check to see if they are genuinely paying their users, you may do so by visiting this page. The second app to produce passive income is CashMagnetApp.com, found at CashMagnetApp.com. You can learn more about it on its website. For the time being, this service is only available to Android users. Nevertheless, Apple users do not need to be worried about the availability. They are now working on modifying the software to be compatible with Apple devices in the future. This app compensates you for every minute you spend doing absolutely nothing. There isn't much that has to be done on your end. This software pays far more than the first one to be offered, which is the most fantastic portion of the whole thing. Essentially, I'm still amazed by the concept that you can generate money with this program without doing anything. Making money will not need you to participate in activities, see commercials, or play games to earn it. Isn't this extraordinary? It is also possible to make money while sleeping, playing games, going to the gym, or doing anything else you like while making money. After a few months of utilizing the app and earning money, the software states that you will use the money you have acquired to buy a new smartphone. In terms of security, the fact that this app is free of charge, as well as the fact that your personal information and settings will not be used without your permission, speaks loudly. To understand more about this app, you can review their frequently asked questions or FAQs found at the bottom of their webpage. It's time to move on now that the two apps have been discussed. That brings us to the third piece of software that will earn a significant amount of revenue for you. The only thing you have to do on this app to make money and earn a reasonable passive income is just to play music for others. Yes, you read it correctly. You are correct. You have to use their app to listen to music as you work. Because of this, you may earn money just by commuting, exercising, sleeping, or engaging in any other monotonous activity. With the current.us application, you will never get bored. It is free software accessible in Google Play that has over 1 million radio stations from various genres, such as pop rock, rap, hip-hop, metal, country, slow, relaxed, calm, and Hindi, to name a few. You may bookmark your favorite radio station and listen to the songs broadcast on that station. You get points for each music you listen to. These points can be redeemed for gifts or cash. This app is accessible all around the globe. However, it would help if you had something playing in the background since they have hundreds of music and radio stations to choose from. And by listening via their app, you will be able to earn points. If you accumulate a certain number of points, you will convert them into cash. If you want to start earning right away, just scroll down to the bottom of its webpage and click on the Start Earning link, which will bring you a drop-down menu of options. After that, you will be requested to choose a country and submit your phone number to send you the app, enabling you to begin making money immediately. In general, the applications supplied may assist you in earning money while doing absolutely nothing at all. To generate money fast and straightforward, there is an excellent opportunity for you to develop your very own passive income stream, which you can then invest. As you sit here waiting for the app to reimburse you, consider all of the things you might be doing with your extra time. Simply said, that's all there is to it. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.